Well, listen, I'm a senior on fire, bro. Not broccoli, but bro. Okay? And 6'7", and mami que tú quieres, papi ya tú sabes. All this mumbo jumbo, I learned it in my job. I used to be a high school teacher. Periodic table, Newton laws, not biology. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna miss it. Days fly at school, and so do chairs too. You gotta be careful with that. Okay, and before that, I used to be a filmmaker, and 30 years ago. I'm 65 now, and I don't look like, right? 65. Okay. And I had the main character in my first movie, Costa Brava. I used to play a tour guide in Barcelona with my accent. You know, that was perfect for me. And she wanted to be a stand-up comedian, which is what I am now. And just last year, a woman from Madrid, who's also a filmmaker, when I told her I'm in stand-up now, she said, "Oh, finally!" So, you know, things go full circle. Now, things do change. I observed that, and I have so much to share with new people, with young people. Like, for instance, I used to love the US. I was weird as a European. I love the US. But now, look at who is the commander-in-chief. That's a joke of mine. The commander-in-chief, whatever. Look who's in the White House. He's even tearing apart the White House. Thank God I have the West Wing at home, the DVDs, you know. Well, anyway, Barcelona also changes. Years ago, it used to be the city of trade fair and conventions. Now it's the city of the 3Ds. Dogs, Deliveroo drivers, and doobies. I'm only for pizzas, not for the other stuff, but do you understand doobies? Right? But also, what I want is that you enjoy Barcelona, just like all these tourists who come here, and they even bring their own toilet paper with them. Enjoy Barcelona, the best city in the world, but not for too long, okay? Thank you.